Heartily welcome to my channel. My name is Sandeep Basic. I am 40 years old 3D generalist. My channel has lots of Blender video tutorial that's more than 1000 plus which make you real professional artist. In other hand this channel has GIMP and Inkscape tutorials which are more than 500 plus. I am working in small CG studio, so I make a video what I learned of my experience. To support me for continuing my work, kindly subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and community if my video worth. Thank you, and you get ahead to my tutorial video.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video I'm going to share you how to make your screen recorder as a key screen. So this video is specially for not for Windows and Mac user. This video is specially for Linux user. So if you are using the Linux or Fedora or Arch Linux, any kind of Linux, BSD, Solaris operating system, so this video is very helpful to you. If you are a YouTube video, if you are a YouTuber or upload your video in YouTube, or if you are a screencast or record your screen through OBS Studio. So in this video I'm not using the OBS Studio, I'm using the Kazam screen recorder. So previous video, so if you want to upload the Blender tutorial on the upload into YouTube or something like that, or if you want to make a video during the screen recorder, and if you want to try to screencast add-on from Blender, so if you are using the another application just like rather than Blender, so it has no screencast recorder yet. Blender has a screencast add-on, so I want to share you how to install it and how to it has a bug. So this screencast recorder I was trying to add in Blender, and this is an old version Blender, and I was tried to install it the new version 4.1, the new release, the recently new release of Blender version. So I want to show you how to it bug. So this is the preference, so file, so you can see here load factory Windows file. So control it is very difficult to control all to you. So what key I am using and what mouse I am using, it is very difficult to use, and on the other hand it is very difficult to install the add-on, because the screencast key I have already downloaded in zip file. This is compatible for all versions, 2.79 version, and I have already downloaded the new version which are compatible with the very latest version of Blender, and I failed to run it. So you can see here the module install from home, something is wrong from here. So when I press the N, it is very difficult to say everything. Press N and press everything is one person. So how to do that? I am failed to install it. It is a very bug. It has a very bug. So how to install it? So go to the this is I am using the LXD Ubuntu operating system. This is another flavor of Ubuntu, and press the screen key. Press the screen key. Now you can see if I press what keyboard I am using. I am in the Blender, so you can see here the Blender. So press B, so which I'm click, it is the right click, and I'm using the scroll up and scroll up and scroll down. This is the press on the roller, and right click, this is the click, left click, and this is the right click. And what I am pressing: S pressing, C pressing, F pressing, W pressing, what pressing. This is a very useful to us. So how to install it? First open the software package manager. I am using the Discover. It is the default software package manager of Ubuntu Studio. So screen key and hit enter, and I have already just downloaded it one. So the downloaded one I have already installed. So if you are the remove button already activated, so I don't want to remove it, just I want to close it, the Discover, so I don't need it. So how to, this is very easy. So go to the preference, so I'm using the red as a background color. So if I use the more highlight, it already highlight. I don't want, select region. If I don't want to select region, if already fixed and button where I want to fix it, this one I want to fix it in the left button. So select the region. If I want to select the region, say if I already select this region, this side, you can see here, and change the color, which color you want to show here. Change the color. I have select the color red, select cancel. I have to cancel. So close this one, and what key I am using, just K E Y. You can see here easily. So if I unable to what key I am using, you can see. So fourth time I'm using the, and what key, shift right click. I don't need to pronunciation what key and what side of mouse I'm using. This is not need to use right now. This is very screencast key. So first what key I'm using, you can see here what kind I'm using. So if I just and this is unable to I am press the Windows button, this is unable to show you the Windows button. So inkscape, inkscape, already inkscape, and hit enter. This is an enter. If I want to make a video about the inkscape, so you can easily, so this is the screen recorder. I have already installed the Kazam. This is the Kazam. You can see here, this is the Kazam. You can see here Kazam already pop up window appear here, and this is the screen key. And you can see here what I have pressed the function 1 button, and what key I have used, you can see here easily. So you can easily see here from here. So I have pressed already what button I am pressing, so don't need to save everything. This screencast key I have already I discovered very recent time. So I hope you enjoy this video. So how to activate the screencast key. So if you don't want to screencast key, so just hit enter button. so in that time no screen button will appear. You can see here no screen button will appear here. So again I want to activate it, to click on the show key button. So you can see here button already activate here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the another tutorial. Bye bye.